the 11, so it's 11 on one side, 11 on the other side. So this is taking the place of cable needle. So you're going to pick up this next stitch with this all the way back here. So it's quite a leap. And the next thing we're doing is a purl. I have to bring it through, trying not to split the yarn. Wrap it around, bring it through and off. And then you want to tighten it a bit. And how much you tighten it is all a visual preference. I prefer to have it tight. It makes my life harder, but it looks better, I think. And then you literally knit and purl all the way across. And there's a pause button. So I did the cable, worked the 11 stitches, and then worked the 11 stitches from the cable. So that's knit, purl, knit. So this is the cable. So I've got to take this side and put it on this side, which, as you might imagine, kind of sucks. So it's really tight to pull over, mostly because I pulled that so tight, but I find it looks better after, so it's just one of those things you put up with. I'm sure there's plenty of knitters who would disagree. So you can see just pulling it through now on the other side. So once again, only 2 needles at work, and I'm struggling to get it through, and that's just life. I don't even know if you can see what I'm doing anymore. That's the other problem, is with it being so tight, it makes it easier to split the yarn by mistake. At least you're only having to do this once for this pattern. Whoops. Shoot. You can pause. Messy? Yeah, okay. So this is the way it ends up looking. What you're actually looking for is it go that way. It's just, you've twisted it, and you've actually got to twist the bottom as well. So once you've knit the extra stitches on the other side, you'll see the crossbow. So I'll knit a few more lines, and you can see that more clearly. Yeah?
Yep.
So this is after I've finished doing the cable, and we're going to do the next line. But now, because you've twisted it, this is going to be a purl instead of a knit. So it's purl, knit, purl instead of knit, purl, knit. Just remember, so you're not catching yourself out after.
Here we have the twisty part, as done by Miriam.
This is how it starts off, and then once you've done the twist, you have to remember that it's not actually wrong. Flip the end, and it will look right.
Perfect. All right, thank you.